navigation, sunroof, DVD entertainment system, third row seat, leather interior, overhead airbag, heated seats, trailer hitch, captain's chairs, alloy wheels. Platinum edition trim. Click to learn more. BR/Key features include BR/leather seats, additional rear seat, navigation system, entertainment system, power tilt sliding sunroof, second row bucket seats, power liftgate, rear upper carrot, heated driver seat, heated rear seat, cooled driver seat, backup camera, running boards, flex fuel capability, premium sound system, MP3 player, rear seat audio controls, keyless entry, privacy glass, remote trunk release. BR/buy from an award-winning dealer. BR/Williamson Automotive is one of the leading dealerships in South Florida. Founded over 4 decades ago, the dealership specializes in American luxury brands. Over the years, Williamson has built a loyal client base. In fact, a large portion of the business comes from existing clients. The owners are very involved in the vision of the business and also within the community. Williamson Automotive is dedicated to building its brand on integrity and long-term vision.